Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you the question from Exponents. Okay, how to solve this question where it's given that you have to find the value of n if 6 raised to power 2n plus 1 divided by 36 is equal to 6 raised to power 3. Okay, so we have to get the value of n here. So how to solve? So let's make the base equal. Okay, first thing we will make the base, as here the base is a 6, here also on the right hand side also the base is 6. So we'll make the base as 6. So it will be 6 to raise 2n plus 1 divided by 36. 36 is the power of 6. Okay, so what we have to do? We can write 36 as the 6 raised to power 2. Okay, and here 6 raised to power 2. Now what we can do? Here we have to apply the laws of exponents. Which law we have to apply? We have to apply x raised to power n divided by x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power n minus n. Okay, it means when the bases are same, the operation of division is there, the powers get subtracted. So here it will be 6 raised to power 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 6 raised to power 3. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it will be 2n raised to power minus 1 is equal to 6 raised to power 3. Now we can see that the bases on the left hand side and on the right hand side are same. So now what we are going to do? We are going to compare the powers. Okay, so on comparing the powers. So here on the left hand side the power is 2n minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side it is 3. So we'll write it as 3. Okay, now here it is minus 1. So when the side transfer will be there, minus 1 will become plus 1. So it will be 2n is equal to 3 plus 1, and 2n is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, and 2 is multiplied by n. So it will be, now when the side transfer will be there, the multiplication 2 is multiplied by 9, then it will be transferred to right hand side, it will be dividing 4 here and as 2. I hope it is easy for you, and if you are getting my explanation, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share my videos in order to support me. Thank you.